Okay, sir. I think Aniket started this session. So, hello everyone. Good evening, all. Today we are introducing the Google Cloud certification done by our senior and last year student. Twice he did the Google Cloud certification, and he will guide you how to do the Google Cloud certification, which will be the value addition to the your resume, and it will strongly build your profile. So you can it will help you in getting a job. Also, our TPO head, Professor Pramod Dastoorkar, will guide you regarding this. Yes, sir. You can continue.
Welcome all. Welcome to the team MITAOE Placement Cell, my dear students. Now we are now specializing this activity in terms of all technical capacity required for the recruitment and employability development. Right now, from this year we have made compulsory to all our students to do two technical certification compulsory for making eligible for placement. So all the students are preparing, and for third year batch also we are trying to guide you to get one certification compulsory. Now understand here, you becoming now engineer now, you are going to become engineer. You have to become not an engineering labor. You have to become an engineer, strong technically engineer. Now understand the eligibility criteria, the way of you walk, the way you make project, and the way you crack the interview. That is a smartness. That is a smartness that anybody can do. Now, but understand your face, your language, and everything, whatever it may be, whatever you are doing, you are going to do, and the 1 hour or half an hour you are going to interact with the interviewer, panel member. That will make you entry into the company. Now, understand, you will get a package of say 3.3 lakhs, 5 lakhs rupees. Whatever package you are going to get, that will be entry level package. Now understand, if you want to double your package within 3 years or say within 2 years, then your certification plays a big time role. Understand, your certification plays a big time role. Whenever your biodata says that I am Google certified, I am AWS certified, or I am OCJP certified, or I am ISTQB certified, or I am .NET certified, OCP certified, then the interviewer understand कि बंदा जैसे गेट क्वालिफाइड स्कोर होता है, वैसा गेट क्वालिफिकेशन स्कोर को there is no validation required. It means that the student is technically strong. So understand, you have to be getting one good certification, which is a global certification, nationally, internationally recognized by various authorities, and this will be what you can say acknowledged by the interviewer during your interview process. So this is now one of the compulsory and important activity which you have to do before you appear for the campus drives. Please note this. Now, various types of certifications, as far as my knowledge is concerned, for mechanical students, we have CAD, CAM, CE, STAT Pro. Civil students, they are having various certification. Electronic students have PLC, SCADA, embedded certifications by various known agencies. And computer IT के लिए तो certifications के भरमार पड़ी है. A lot of certifications authorized by various global agencies now. So Google is one of the top class name. There is no introduction required. So Google is also offering various types of certifications, and that too at entry level. And you can do from home. You can do from while you are getting your graduation. Any graduate can do Google certification. So what is that, and how it works, and what are types of certification, and how it is going to help you to get a good quality job is going to be explained today by our team of MITAOE panel members. Mr. Athar Joshi will be navigating you. Mr. Aniket Kumar is taking care of the back end from third year computer, and Mr. Sanket Nangare will be throwing light. He has done his Google certification in various areas. He is going to introduce himself, and I request my dear students to maximize this video capacity by asking your students to join this live channel PG Dastoorkar Gyan Prabodhini, which is majorly focusing on placement. The students who is going to subscribe this channel will be able to ask the question. Only those questions will be considered. So my dear students, please subscribe and ask questions. Mr. Sanket will be answering all the questions after the video also, after streaming the video also. So I wish you all the best, my dear students. Take care of your graduation. Take care of your job. We are here to give you highest, best capacity, employability capacity activities for you. Pramod Dastoorkar, Head Corporate Relations from MIT AOE. Over to Sanket. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So now we are going to start our session. Um, is my screen visible? Can anyone confirm?
Yes, Sanket, your screen is visible.
Yes, thank you. So for doing the Google Cloud certification, there are many resources that you can also learn from it, like from the YouTube or Coursera. But if you want the deep knowledge if of a Google Cloud certification, then the best is the Coursera. In that, preparing for Google Cloud certification, Cloud Architect Professional Certificate is the best. It's a quest that you can complete, and then you can gain a good amount of knowledge. So for enrolling it, you have to first make your account, sign up your account as the general process for the making account. Then you will get an OTP or verification link to make an account. After that, come here, we'll provide you this link also about this Coursera link. And then you can also, and then you have to enroll here. While you have enrolled, as I have already enrolled, so it's showing this enrolled means. So, but if you are, it shows some of the what you say, uh, what you say. There are fees to complete these courses. But if you want to make it free, then you can also go here and make it financial aid available. Then you have to click on the continue to the application to get enrolled in this course. After you press on click enroll, then you have to agree these terms and conditions. What and I agree, you have to write this sentence: I agree to the terms above, and then click continue. Then you have to write that what is the education background, high school, then your annual income. For getting the this free of cost, this course to you, the free of cost, you have to mention here zero. Then you will, then only we will get the uh, this course as a free. Then the employment status, as you are a student, then you have to write the students. And then how much can you afford to pay per month or per year. If you want to pay, you can pay, or else you can write also here zero. Then after that, there are main three questions are there. The first question is, why are you applying for the financial aid? You have to write in minimum 150 words minimum they are required. So the next question will be, how will you taking this course or help you to achieve your career goals. Then you have to also write this as a paragraph in 150 minimum words. And then this is the question, that would you consider as a low interest loan to pay your course, or if you yes, then you can ignore this para. If no, then you have to answer no, please help us to understand why. And then I am not robot. But if you don't have any idea that what you have to write, then simply go on Google and then search for financial aid Coursera answer. You can click any of the link for that answer, and then just click on this. You will get some of the answers here. Like the first question as was like, why are applying for the financial aid. So they have given some of the answer, like, I am a student from this area, I want to learn this area. Don't copy and paste as it is. uh, Change according to the what your background and what you are doing going to do. Like that only courses you have to write the same as the answer. As well as like for the second also, second question, what are the your career goals and what are the things and in which area you have to do. If you are entering for the Google course, Google Cloud courses, right, from that perspective only, not from any other. Like here is written that artificial intelligence, don't just simply copy and paste it here. And then third answer is also here mentioned here. So likewise you can, you have to change your answers. And then and this and click on that submit button. Within 2 to 3 working hours, working days, you will get the this email that you have successfully enrolled and you have successfully get the financial aid. Then I'll show you the main one. After that, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 courses in it. If you completed all the 7 course, then you are good to go with the Google Cloud certification professional exam or associate exam. So likewise, you have to do all of this course to get the knowledge. So if I say example, if you get the aid, financial aid approved, and if you click on these courses, there are generally 7 courses in it, in this batch. So here you can see there are some of the concepts as introduction to the Google Cloud. What is Google Cloud? What is main cloud? What is the virtual machines networks? All the services they are provided by the Google Cloud. Yeah, all the things are mentioned. So to give an overview idea, means how it is, and what it is, you can enroll and you can get this all the things here. So as a what you say, the short info, I can show you what are the exact things in these courses. So I have previously done in this, so I can so I have enrolled, and you can see this already enrolled. So in this, the best thing are there are some of the videos, and also to that videos, they have given the transcript. If you don't didn't understand any of the video or any of the thing in that, then you can simply see the transcript. Yes, what is the written and what he is saying, like the at every time what is the instructor is saying. You can hear, and you can also note that thing in your book or in anywhere. So likewise, here are the some of the, there are you will they will provide you with the videos. Then also they will provide you with the some of the things like transcript, then the reading resources from where you can read all the things. And then uh, after the videos, there will be a quiz, means what you have learned. This will also gain your check. This is for the checking of your knowledge, that what you have learned and you have learned it properly or not. If you grade it 100%, that means that you have successfully completed this course. uh, and they need 90 to 100% to pass this exam. It's a simple exam. You can also uh, refer to your points, and then you can give this test. For each and every topic, there is some of the videos, and for each and every topic there is a one of the quiz is there. And at the end, and yeah, you can see there are the basic. This is the summary view. This is the main quiz, means from overall, what are you have learned in this course. Then there will be a one main quiz. It's considered of only 2 or 3, 4 or 5 depending on the courses. Then it will show you some of the questions, and you have to just answer about that. If you successfully pass that quiz, then you will get this 100% successfully completed certificate. You can see that how the certificate look like, as it's shown as here. Here you can see their logo, Coursera, and then you can see yes, successfully completed Google Cloud Fundamental Core Infrastructure. Likewise, if you complete it, you can they will see you can see it. Same way, you have to do all of this uh, courses one by one after each, so that you will get the uh, proper knowledge about what you are doing. And at the last, they will also uh, prepare you, means guide you in the exact path that what you have to do in the Google Cloud. So for the exam, they will show you what are the things necessary required. In this in that video, you will require give you some of the knowledge that yes, how is the what you say certificate is look like, or how you can prepare well more, and you can focus on them, what are the main topics, all the things you can learn here. So they have some of the given like sample case study, what are the case studies there and what are not. All the things they have provided in a very systematic manner. And one more thing is there, you can also, they have also in some of the courses, I cannot see here now, but in some of the courses they have given the practical hands on the Google Cloud platform. Means you can directly go on a Google Cloud platform. They have temporarily given temporary account to you, and then you can perform some of the tasks they have given. provided in the lab manual, and then you have to do. I'll tell you further, but this is a general idea in these courses. Means in this course you will get videos learning also, then some notes, pdfs also, then hands-on knowledge on the Google Cloud platform. Then you because you can then remember, yes, what are the things are there, where are the tools, where are the services are exactly there, why it's used, and all the necessary things that are needed. It's provided there. And at the end you will get the completion letter also with this Coursera. This certificate you can add it to your resume. It is more chances to recruit a higher. You get hired because yes, you have some of the knowledge with this. And after this, after all this preparation, you can go further directly on the Google Cloud Ready this program to get a professional certificate. That is, they have the two associate cloud track. They have the three actually tracks, but for this the name is like Google Cloud Associate Certificate. So that you if you enroll here, you will get one of the discount, one major discount, as you will get 50% discount on your 50% discount voucher for your certification. As this is required some of the $100, then you have to pay only $50 if you complete this program, as they have said. So just you have to click on apply. Then it is a 8-week program. You can learn, select the which of the track. So if you want to do this, if you have completed this all 7 courses, you have to choose the associate cloud engineer, then your name, last name, email, country, then academics, private or public institution, then all the things you have to give, and then click on submit. After clicking on submit, then you will receive an email that you have successfully enrolled for this program. And then you have to do the 8-week program with them. Means there are some of the hands-on practice. They will give you some of the credits to perform, as previously said, that you can directly perform on their platform. So they will give you some of the credits. Then all the things they will provide you. Some of the there are videos, and some of the there are labs. So with that, after you completing this program, Google Career program, then they will provide you with the 50% discount voucher. So with that discount voucher, you can claim your voucher, and you can go with the $50 exam. And then you can complete this. You can complete your, what we say, professional Google Cloud Associate Certificate. Professional also you can give, or associate you can also give with that. If you want, I can show you Google Cloud Associate Cloud Engineer Certificate. So if you pass that certificate, pass that professional certificate, this is the certificate how it's look like, and its validity for 3 years. And if you have this certificate, then you get the 20 to 30% of charges that the recruiter will hire you. This is the benefit of this international certification. So if you want to know that you want the hands-on, more hands-on on the Google Cloud, so you can simply come here. That is some of the credits how you get it. So here is the build Google Cloud skills, cloud learning from virtual anywhere. So here you get, first of all, I'll show you some of the account, means how, what is the main thing. So this is the Google Cloud skill boost, where you can all get the labs, and in that labs you get the virtual environment, like demo dummy environment, how the main Google Cloud services work, how they are being used, all the things you can uh, do here. So they have the some of the subscription model. So if you want, you can purchase it, or you can come here and get it the from here. Basically from Coursera also you get some of the credit, but that are fixed to some of the labs. So once you have to go on this side, Google Cloud Ready Boost, and then you have to create your account here. Like this is the account for here, and then here are some of the quests that you can go through it. So if you want, as you can see the subscription model, they have the $29 per month, or if you want the annual subscription, that is 299 only for the annual subscription. You can purchase it, or you can come here and take this code as a copy code and click on enroll. If you click on enroll, then you have to put this code, I'm not a robot, and submit. And this is how you will get the 1 month free subscription, totally 1 month free subscription. This, they are having some of the uh, welcome videos, and then you can start with the labs. Here I was talking about this lab. So they are having a lab intro, that is a tour of quick labs. In this you can directly go and see this how it's work for your and this you have to do in private browser only, not your normal browser, because they are giving you temporary Google Cloud account, that is Google account. So it may mix up or merge with your main account, so that's why you have to take care of that. For this I will show you some one basic demo about how it will look like, and what you have to do exactly, or what how is the environment. Just a second, guys. Till then, if there is any doubt, we can solve. Uh, yeah, you can see here creating a virtual machine. Please always click on the private browser only. So click on sign in. Don't give the Google account directly, that is sign in with Google. Always use email ID and password here. So after signing in, you will get some of the interface like this. Here you can start the lab. Here are the points, means till which point you have done, and it is you have performed it well or not. And if you have performed well, you can click on check my progress, and you will get the points. And at least you have to do 100 points. It is the 100 only, but you have to do 100 by 100, then only this lab is completed. So I'll give you general idea means what is there in it. So this is the lab manual, how it's how we do in the 10th or 12th, like in the physics or a chemistry lab. There is some of the manual, and then we perform that practicals. Likewise here is also there, it is a practical manual like book only. So here it's written as what we have to do, what are the things you have to do. All these things are perform what you have to perform like this. So navigate and create, and all the things are here given also. And if you want to learn more, you can also go directly to your main official document, you can see. But you have to do this afterwards. After first you have to do these courses, and then only you have to perform, because you will get the general idea what you have to do. Because if you do anything wrong here, your account will get blocked. So for demo purpose, I'll show you what is there. It is showing I don't have the subscription now, so it will say as launch with the credit. So I'm already having some of the credit, so I have launched. So as this you can see, this is the username. So you will always get a new username, because this is a temporary. So you have to do, always you have to perform this in a private browser. So click on the open, and then next, copy the password from here only, then next. As this is the new account, so I understand. So here we have logged in to a Google Cloud Console. Here we can see that all the things are there what is in the real Google Cloud platform. This is a virtual what we say, the dummy account. So you can see only just things that are necessary or required for this lab. So starting with this lab, they have said to activate a cloud shell. So we will copy this command. Here is the cloud shell, and in this cloud shell you can perform the task like create the service or delete the service. And the services are main, this is the services, what are the services that are used in the Google Cloud. So all the things that are written, is that the are the services. Service in the sense, if you want a server for your application, you can host it through your Google Compute Engine or many other things. The basic one is the Compute Engine. So you have to paste that command and then continue as said. Then this is an optional, you don't have to do. They have written as in which zone, region, all you will not get now, but if you have if you complete that courses, you will get to understand what are the zones, what are the regions, all the things are there. So in the basic time, meanwhile, we'll choose, we'll go to the next one, and there is the task one. So create a virtual machine. So go in a compute engine in the VM instance. So what here is the compute engine and VM instances. Till we have minimize, for now we have, I am minimizing it. So click on create instance. What are they, and follow the instruction what they have given. So here they have given as name. You can go on a name, click on your name. Then where is the region and zone? So region, that is already there, and zone is also already provided. In which series? You just have to perform this because you just see the I have giving the demo only, because to get an idea means how the Google Cloud is also very interesting topic to learn. So just see for now, just see, and then two CPUs. Yes, two CPUs. Then what is then the boot disk? Boot disk here is 10 GB, and then firewall. Click on HTTP. Click here and then simply create. And here we go with we have created a simple instance, that is the server, simple server, so that our application, simple application can work. So here we have launches our first instances. So we can go next. Then we have to connect with that instance. So here the button is like SSH. After clicking on that button, we can directly connect to our instance. So till next we go to the furthermore. Then it is saying that install, then update the OS. So here we have connected to the our instance. So give the commands as why this is the command. All the things are given here. Is how it's work, on what, why it's work. Just go and click on this. These are the some simple commands, and then you can success for the simple web application, not a web application, simple web page. So you can go on a console, and external IP we can see. So if I click on the external IP here, on this instance we have hosted this simple page, this simple thing. So likewise we have to, they have provided with how you can host a page, and here we can check my click on the check my progress, so that you will get to know yes you have completed successfully or not. Then moving to the next task. So creating a instance with G Cloud, that is Google Cloud. So if I copy it, so in this they have provided as Google Cloud instance, then a name for that, then what are the machine type, and many things you can also add, but for now it's just a general one. So this is the shell. In this shell you have to paste and click on enter. It will create an instance for us. This is the two method they have provided, that is you can also use the console method or the shell method. In this they have provided. We'll wait some time, refresh on this. You see the second one, yes, GC lab 2 successfully launched, and here we can go on check my progress. Likewise you can also go for the next, for the things, for what is written, or what are the going things. So here you can also test your knowledge, what you have done, and then they say the congratulations, you have successfully completed the lab. So here you can check your progress. Yes, 50 by 50 you have successfully completed this lab, and then at the end lab. Yes. You can close this. So in this you can go in the just a second, guys. In the path section, no, get log. They will show you that how you have successfully completed the lab or not. Public profile. Paths. I guess they have removed that thing. In previous, it was written as how much you have completed and what are the things are there. Oh yes, yeah, they have added here. So go in the activities. You can see that create a virtual machine. This we have started in 6 minutes ago, and we have successfully completed. And whether we have passed or not, it is also written as passed. Yes, tick mark is there. Likewise, you can complete this all the quests which are provided here: Google Cloud, fundamental infrastructure, networking, and data AI ML. These four you have to enroll and you have to complete it here. After your completion, you will see your badges, how the badges look like. So here are the badges as the simple one. The basic is that create and manage the cloud resources. This is the first badge you can get. So in this list, this is how you get the badge, and you can also share it to your LinkedIn or Facebook or Twitter, what you want. These badges are also important as a part of the recruiter. So you can also complete. Note that this is the badge, not a certificate. You can just share as a on a LinkedIn post that you have completed this lab or a quest, and just for the showcase, not for the. It's not a certificate. So this is the general idea of how you can tour for your Google Cloud certification. First, you have to complete this all the 7 courses for, and all the 7 courses you can get by the financial aid, or the college also has some of the facilities. Like in previous year we are having the facilities like college has also given us, uh, or you can also get it through your financial aid from here. And then you have to enroll. Second, you have to enroll uh, in this track, that is the program. Just a second. Yes. This track, and then you have to just fill this form and get it this Google Cloud Career Program. So first go Coursera, then this program, and then afterwards you can go through the Quick Labs Google Cloud Skill Boost, so that you can get the 100% hands-on knowledge. For this, you may require 4 to 6 months as soon as you grasp the all the knowledge, depending on that. But generally, it requires 4 to 6 months to get this knowledge, and then you can directly go here, and you have completed the program. Then from this 50% discount voucher, you can directly give the exam, and you can pass that exam. That exam can be taken through your virtually also, that is from your home, or you can take the centers. That's all from my side. If you are having any questions, you can ask. If there are any questions. Okay. Is it a paid course? Yes, it's a paid course. You have to just give your you can also pay for it, or you can take the financial aid from it. Then how much time limit to complete these courses? There is no such time limit for this. You can complete it anytime. But for this, they are having a specific amount of time, like do in the 4 or 2 months or 1 month. They, yes, they give us the some of the appropriate time to complete each and every things. So you will get a specific or sufficient time to complete these courses.
Specifically, it is a self-paced lab, so you can complete it by your own speed, own pace. So if you decide to complete it in 1 week, you can complete it by 1 week, and but it will require more efforts from your side. because completing it in 1 week will require 5 hours daily. You should invest time in this. And,
Yes.
regarding the course, the financial aid will allow you to uh, enroll to this course freely. And if you want to do it ASAP or do it now, so you can pay for that course, because financial aid requires 15 days from the application to get enrolled in that course.
Yes, right, Atharva. So, is there any questions, or we can stop here?
Yes, Sanket, I think there's a more lengthy session we did. So if any
Yes.
queries are there, we can entertain that later.
Yes, you can
Uh,
also comment in the below the video,
yes.
and then uh, we are available to give your answers. So, thank you.
Yes. Thank you, students. We'll wind up this session here. Thank you, students.